Hey guys, it's Josh with JTech, and today I'm going to show you how to use this ACX 1180H recovery machine. This is specifically used for R134A. Before you get started, I want to hook the gauges up. One is low side, that is high side, so you're going to hook them up in the twist it clockwise, so it's tight. When there's pressure in the system, you'll hear pressure come out of it for just a split second, which is normal, it's fine. I don't believe this system has any pressure in it. You're using a tester machine. There's a nice clip. You don't want to tighten it down too much because they have Teflon washers in them. You can snap and break them, and then your gauges are rendered useless. Alright, so if you come over here, the first thing you want to do, this machine has an automatic setting on it, which I could just press that and it would do everything for me. It's going to recycle it, or recover it. It's going to pull it in a vacuum for a allotted amount of time, and then it's going to charge the system. So what we'll do is we're going to recover it, continue, yes. Start, yes, we have everything connected. So we'll wait for the machine to pull everything out of this system that's in there right now. Alright, so the machine is now recycling or recovering the refrigerant. You see right here. It'll tell you how long it has. I'm pretty sure on this machine you can set your own time, but it's a default at 5 minutes. It'll tell you the amount that's recycled. So say your system has a leak in it, it's not going to have the full capacity of refrigerant in it. So you want to double check your manufacturer specifications for the amount of refrigerant that's supposed to be in your system before you recharge it. Because if you say you pull a pound out and you only recovered half a pound, you can't put half a pound in there or else your AC system isn't going to work correctly. So make sure you double check the manufacturer specifications for the amount of refrigerant you're supposed to put in there. After this is done recording, I'm going to show you the vacuum process and what that does and tells us. Alright, so the recovery machine, it finishes recovery process. There's an oil draining process right now, it's telling us to wait. So we'll just give it a second. But while we're waiting, you can see that as it recovers it, it's pulling the system in a vacuum. So right now we're looking at negative 20 yeah, negative 20 right here. What is that? Negative 20 inches of vacuum. And it's staying there. If there was a leak in the system, this would eventually come back to zero. This is a good sign. This means the system isn't leaking at all. But you do want to hold this right here at 20 for at least 30 to 40 minutes to be sure it doesn't have a leak in it, because it could be a slow leak and to the naked eye it looks like there's no leak, but give it 30 or 40 minutes and it could be a leak. It could even go all the way down to 10 or 0. So we're gonna wait about 30 to 40 minutes and then we will get right back to it and see if it holds pressure. Alright, so it's holding the vacuum about negative 20 psi here on the low side. It's been doing that for about 30 to 40 minutes. So that lets us know there's no leaks in the system, which is good. Now what we're going to want to do now is, we're going to want to charge this. Let's see. We're going to do 1 pound. Continue. Yes. It's PAG. That was just the compressor oil type. Both. We're going to charge both sides. It's purging. What it's going to do now is charge the system full of refrigerant. Alright, so now the machine right now is going to charge the AC system. You can check your gauges here. They'll give you the readings for it. This is the amount that it's putting in right now. 0.8. Remember, we're putting just a pound of refrigerant in this system. So once it hits 1 pound, it should stop. And then I'll have successfully charged this AC system. And whenever you're doing this kind of work, you want to make sure that you're wearing safety glasses in case something busts over here and gas gets in your eyes. I obviously am not wearing safety glasses right now. But yeah, don't be like me and not have safety glasses. Make sure you're wearing those and even gloves if you want to. But this is how you charge this is how you recover, recycle, put into a vacuum and charge an AC system. Thanks for watching my video.